channel. So I've created a playlist with all the videos, all these tips to reach you if you're a beginner or you already know about Canva but you can't get a hang of it. Then you found a perfect course for that. I will teach you some shortcuts, some keys, some tools, and basically designs and templates, the interface, the preview, and all of that. And even I will tell you how to export, import, and upload your things from the media. So, so let's quite get along with it. We are just a family. Any queries you could ask me in the comment section. So let's begin. So this is the Canva interface. You can see there, whatever design you make, you can find it in the recent design. There are some formats of design you could use: sheets, docs, whiteboard, presentation. If you want to make a presentation, if you're a teacher or a student, or if you have an assignment, you can like basically create a presentation over here, social media, photo editor, video, and website. So if you quite want a custom site, a page of your own site, you can create over here. Like insert your own width, your height, and these are recent like custom pages I have made recently. You can quite get a whole lot of hang fit. And you can even upload from your medium. Like if you have a picture in your folder file explorer, you can upload it over here, edit it, and a lot more. There's some more features. I'm gonna come back to it. And the designs you make, they will show up here. These are the projects panel. In a projects panel, you can quite search, like for example, if you have thousands of designs in your Canva folder, if you have thousands of designs, what you can do, you can just type in here like a color song, like look, everything with color in front of it or song at the end of it. So it's quite a handy search engine. You can even go in templates, like ready-made templates which are created by the partners of Canva or the people who are working at Canva. And you can even take a ready-made, a template. There are some more custom designs. You can, if you want a specific template like for business, then the templates will show as a business. Like these are random posters, cards, business cards. These are literally random. And then you can in the brand you can see this crown over here. The stamp basically defines that if you are a Canva Pro user, then you can obviously use this. You can create your own branding kit. This is my kit of branding, and it's not quite an interesting kit, but I like it. And Canva also has its own personal AI. If you're lost in your mind, you don't know what to do, you can just ask to Canva, like give me some ideas and images. So this is all it. So in the apps folder, I'm gonna come back over here in some other video, but just telling you that you can basically, there are some over here with AI face swapper or like you know image colorizer if your image doesn't have colors and like that. So this basically are some apps which could help you in like designing and like that. And this is some settings which, so this is the settings tool. And if like you can do settings by your own if you want to change the language, or are you using for a student, a business. I'm just gonna click on price now. Okay, so this is all you got. So we just moved over here, and now I'm just gonna close this a little bit. So now we're gonna do more option, which I told you that we'll come back to here. And this is some sheets you could use, like if you want to do a workspace or annual calendar, or if you want to like calculate your price, the timeline, and a budget tracker like that. In the document section, These are some documents you can make, like a CV or any document you want to make. These are some whiteboard. A whiteboard is basically to keep, if you want to make a creative mind map or a storyboard or your daily plans or like New Year resolution, you can all quite make it over here. In presentations, if you're a student, you're gonna make a presentation for your class and your teacher, you're gonna like help the class learn from a presentation. And even if you're a business holder or a businessman, you can create quite there's so many presentations you could actually make ready made, but you can also make by your own by a blank template. This is social media. You can use YouTube banner, Instagram story, Instagram post, LinkedIn background, and a YouTube thumbnail, YouTube intro landscape like Instagram reel. These are some formats for social media. Now, photo editor. If you put some photos over here, you can basically edit them. You can auto select background generator, background remover. But you're gonna come back over here in another video. And this is a video panel. You're gonna just make a video of an HGT format of 1920 from 1080 pixels and mobile video YouTube shorts. This is a website premiere. Like you can design your website over here and bring all the thoughts you have in your mind and I customize as an upload. For now, I'm going in the video panel, video landscape, and let's wait for it to open. So this is the interface of Canva when you're designing one thing. This is a video format you can see in some seconds. This is your timeline. You can even resize your page over here. You can make notes. And if you want a ready-made design to just be uploaded, like what should we do right now? Let's do just a simple a subscribe button or what. And yeah, if you're a Pro user, you can use some blend templates which are included in the premium server. Like, what can I use actually for the video? Just basically take English, something like that. It's sorry. And you can take anything you want. Like, I'm just going with this one over here. It's up to you if you want a vectorized like that. And yeah, it will take up a little time to load if your internet is kind of slow. Okay, so this is like I took a ready-made page. If you want to insert a new page, you can click on add new. And if you want like after my pages, I suddenly want a presentation like this is a new version Canva uploaded. And the elements, what you can do, let's take girl. Let's go on graphics. What should we do? Let's do a girl setting. Did I do the spelling wrong? Okay, so what can I take? Let's take this little girl studying for her exam. And if you want to insert the text, you can go over here. And remember, if you're like already you know about Canva and you're thinking like, I already know all these things and what are you even teaching us? We know it. So don't think like that. Some users may be literally too much new to Canva. They might not know about all of these things. So you can add a heading or already made presets. And these are some apps you can use. I'm gonna take a heading. I'm gonna type English course like before. English course. Sorry for the mistakes and the grammar. You can resize it up to you. You can even change the font style. Like it's literally up to you. Like everything is up to you. It's your design, your thoughts, and your ideas. Kind of like this one. I'm gonna change the color to somewhat a little dark blue. You can add effects to it. Not like that. You can like use outlines and then choose white to highlight your text a little. Nice. You can even curve the text, or if you don't want to, you can animate also like this, or like this, or a typewriter, or a bounce. I'm kind of like this one that's like a smooth animation. And you can change the size from here also, but I usually recommend like this. Like it's up to you, like your freedom, which size you want. And if, yeah, this kind of looks like the girl is just sticking on the wall. Let's apply a floor. Why not? We should. Let's search for floor. What about this one? And we can also bring a flare and to the back. We can change the color to kind of pretty dark. Is it like kind of making a little sense of like somebody's actually sitting on a floor rather than flying in the air? You can add some, patterns to your design to enhance it. What about let's think of this. Like these are just for a little enhancement in your design. They don't do a pretty much, you know, and visual effect. They just enhance your design. And like that, let's take some. Let's. And yeah, I know I'm acting like I'm so beginner, but trust me, this is actually the first class, so I'm not kind of doing quite like that. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just you can explore options of features by yourself. I kind of like this one. I'm gonna resize it a little bit. And yeah, I just made a random page and you can upload a transition, match and move, color by, dissolve, slide, line by, stack, color by. I mostly choose match and move, but for this one I would choose a little different. And you can even insert an audio from here. Put an audio. No. Sorry. Like not that. Let's take a cheerful audio. He's kind of too much. Let's just take, you can choose by yourself. I'm just doing it randomly. And let's preview it. Sure. No, this is the royal beach. So hope you love it. Sorry, some of the part was cut. It just see it right now. I know the video jacket blue and all. I'm sorry for you like today, art. But trust me, we're gonna do a lot together. And not forget to click on that like button subscribe for more videos like this, and comment me if you want courses like these or some kids songs or whatever you want. So meet you next time in the next short. Oh, I mean, sorry, next video.